If you're curious about Mr. Takahashi, learn Japanese. AI and wondering if it's the game changer for learning Japanese in 2025, you're in the right place. I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software, and by the end of this video, you'll have all the info to decide if it's worth your time. Stick around because I'll also reveal why this AI might actually be a breakthrough in the world of language learning apps. Let's start with the first point, the personalized approach. Mr. Takahashi, learn Japanese. AI uses advanced algorithms to tailor your lessons based on your unique learning style. If you're someone who struggles with traditional learning methods, this is a huge advantage. The software doesn't just throw random content at you, it adjusts the pace and complexity to match where you are, ensuring that you're always challenged but never overwhelmed. The second thing you need to know is how interactive it is. Unlike other language learning apps where you're mostly passively absorbing information, Mr. Takahashi encourages active participation. It uses voice recognition technology to correct your pronunciation in real time, making it more dynamic than other platforms. This means you'll be able to practice speaking Japanese confidently, which is often the hardest part of learning any language. Third, let's talk about its gamified learning system. Now, gamification isn't new, but the way Mr. Takahashi incorporates it feels fresh and motivating. You earn points, unlock achievements, and even compete with other users on a leaderboard. This keeps things fun and addictive, while also tracking your progress with detailed analytics so you can see how much you've improved. The fourth feature to highlight is its cultural immersion. Mr. Takahashi isn't just about words and grammar, it's designed to give you a deeper understanding of Japanese culture. You'll interact with content that teaches you about Japanese customs, traditions, and social etiquette, making the learning process more holistic and context-driven. This could be a huge plus if you're planning to travel to Japan or want to better understand its people and culture. Fifth, the software is incredibly accessible. You can use it on both your phone and desktop, meaning that you can practice Japanese wherever you are, whether you're on your morning commute or relaxing at home. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive, so you won't waste time figuring out how to navigate it. Sixth, let's talk about the pricing. Unlike other premium language apps that lock essential features behind paywalls, Mr. Takahashi offers a lot of free content to get you started. In fact, you can try out the core lessons for free using the first link below. This means you can test out the software risk-free and see if it's right for you before committing to any subscription. Finally, the seventh and most crucial thing to know is that this software is constantly updated. Since its launch, new features and content are regularly added, keeping the learning experience fresh and up to date. The developers are actively listening to user feedback and improving the app, which is something rare in the world of language apps. This makes Mr. Takahashi learn Japanese. AI feel like a living, evolving tool that keeps getting better with time. So if you're serious about learning Japanese and want to try Mr. Takahashi, learn Japanese. AI for free. Don't forget to click the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that this software stands out, and I recommend you give it a go. Plus, you'll find my hand-picked list of recommended AI tools in the description, all of which you can try for free. If you're ready to take your Japanese learning to the next level, you know where to start.